In this video, we are going to look on how to create account on Trust Wallet. First, open up Trust Wallet, then tap on Settings, tap on Wallets, tap on this icon to add a new wallet, tap on Create New Wallet. I will choose Secret Phrase as my option and tap on Create. Tap on Backup manually. Check all these three terms and tap on Continue. Copy the 12-word secret phrase and write it down somewhere and keep this secret phrase safe as it is needed to log into your Trust Wallet. Then tap on Continue. Copy paste words as you are told and then tap on Continue. You have now successfully created your Trust Wallet account. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.